Hello children, today we'll be solving or we'll be factorizing some polynomials by using factor theorem, and some will be using splitting the middle term and factorize. Splitting the middle term, you know, in form 8 you have done. So now we'll be just revising that and also use of factor theorem. Let us take one example, that is example 13. Here factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting the middle term and by using the factor theorem. So first we have used splitting the middle term. So now the polynomial given to you is 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Now, what is the constant term? Constant term is 5. And what is the coefficient of x square? That is 6. So, we have 6 into 5, that is splitting the middle term. We know which formula we had for splitting the middle term. That is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So for that we will be finding out ab as well as a plus b. So how much will be ab? So here ab is equals to 5 into 6, that is 30, and your a plus b has to be 17. So what we do here, we'll be finding out the factors of 30, which will be giving the product as 30 and the sum will be 17, plus 17 here, plus 17. So the factors of 30 I have listed here. 1 into 30 is 30, 2 into 15 is 30, 3 into 10 is 30, 5 into 6 is 30, and vice versa. 6 into 5 also 30. But out of these pairs of the product of 30, product of a and b, we have, if we select 1 and 30, we will be getting the product 30, but the sum will not be 17. So selecting 2 into 5, we are getting the product 30, and 2 plus 15 will be 17. 2 plus 15 will be 2 plus 15 will be 17. So what we do, we will be selecting which pair of numbers, that is 2 into 15 is equals to 30. This one. So we have selected this. So we will be writing 17 as 15 plus 2. So 6x square plus 15 plus 2x plus 5. Now that will be 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5, which is equals to, so here we will be factorizing by taking the common factor from these two terms. 3x is the common factor, so 2x plus 5 left for the as the product, 3x multiplied with 2x plus 5. Then from last two terms we will be taking 1 as the common factor. So 1 into 2x plus 5. So you can notice 2x plus 5 is common for both the terms here. So we will be taking 2x plus 5 as the common factor multiplied with 3x plus 1. So we are getting the factors of 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equals to 2x plus 5 multiplied with 3x plus 1. So they are the factors of this polynomial by splitting the middle term. So now we will be using factor theorem. Now when we use factor theorem, you notice one thing here. How do we use the factor theorem? So here the polynomial given is 6x square plus 17x plus 5. So now we have to make this x square. This is 6x square. Coefficient of x square is 6. We will be making 1 as the coefficient of x square. So what we do, we divide each term by 6. So we will be taking, so 6 is common 6 is common. So 6x square divided by x will be divided by 6 will be x square plus 17 divided by x. 17 divided by 6 x plus 5 upon 6. Each term will be divided by 6. So when we take 6 as the common factor, we have x square plus 17 upon 6x plus 5 upon 6. So now AB is 5 upon 6. AB is 5 upon 6. So what are the possible factors of 5 upon 6? Plus minus half, positive and negative both. Plus minus half, plus minus 1 upon 3, plus minus 5 upon 2, and plus minus 5 upon 3, and finally plus minus 1. So we have so many factors. Here it is plus minus means both positive and negative of half, means two values of x given here. And here also 2, here also 2. So total we have 10 factors of 5 upon 6. You can check also on your way, you can check also whether the other factors or not. I have listed all together. Now we will be substituting the values for the polynomial. When we substitute first, it is for half, p of half will not be 0. That will not be 0. So we cannot take half as a 0 of the polynomial. Now we will be checking, it is just a trial and error method. You can check, it is p of minus 1 upon 3, that will be 0. So x plus 1 upon 3 is a factor. Similarly, you can check the other values of x also, but other than 1 upon 3 and 5 upon 2, other numbers you will not be getting the remainder as 0. So the other factor we have is x plus 5 upon 2 is another factor. For this value 5 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 will be getting the remainder 0. So we have the factors of the polynomial as x plus 1 upon 3 and x plus 5 upon 2. So we have 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equals to 6 into x square plus 17 upon 6x plus 5 upon 6 will be 6 multiplied with x plus 1 upon 3 multiplied with x plus 5 upon 2. Now simplifying further, so we will be simplifying this x plus 1 upon 3. So 3 is the LCM and this x will be 3x then plus 1. You know how to add the fraction of addition of the fraction. You know that. So now it is simplifying x plus 5 upon 2. What will be the LCM? LCM is 2. So here it is 2 will be multiplied with x is 2x and 2 into 1 is 2. So 5 into 1 is 5. So 2x plus 5. So finally it is, you can see 6 multiplied with 3x plus 1 divided by 3 multiplied with 2x plus 5 divided by 2. So here 3 and 6 can be cancelled and 3 and 2 is 6 and 6 here will be cancelled. So we are left out with 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. So what are the factors of the given polynomial? That is 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5, as we have found out by splitting the middle term. So any method you find out the factors, that will be same, whether it is the splitting the middle term or it is by factor theorem. Now you have one question in the exercise, that is exercise 2.4, question number 4. 4 parts are there and either you can use splitting the middle term or you use factor theorem. Both are okay, but the instruction here is to factorize. So you will be factorizing these 4.